So as you can see, the area that you're going to put your rhubarb stump into needs to be quite deep, deeper than a spade's depth. The tip of the spade, I'd say go about a foot deep if you can, but it's also determined by the depth of the root stump that you're putting in. Now we're going to be putting into this area a stump that's been severed or cut up from an existing one that was lifted, and I'll show you the precise height that it's going into, or the depth that we're going down to, in a short while. So once we get the other stump over, the one that we've split from an existing one that was dug up, I'll show you how it is placed into this new space. But before that, we're going to need to put some well rotted manure down, or some compost, and I'll do that now. So I've got the manure. I'm just going to put a couple of spades of it in. There we go. And what that needs to do is be dug in. Okay. I'll just dig that in. Put some of the existing earth in. There we go. Right, I'll go and get the stump, the root. See by the shape of it that this one is the piece that was severed from an existing rhubarb root that had started to die away in the middle. But anyway, I'm showing you how we go about planting it. I don't want to go too far into the ground. I want to keep the soil level just above this crown. I'll just cover it back over. As I say, I've added well rotted manure into this now, but it doesn't hurt just to give it some fresh supply of fish blood and bone, which I will do. So I've put the soil back in place. I'm just going to tidy up. You might find lumps of rock like that. Just move them away. Try not to disturb this crown, because it's from this crown that we're hoping that we'll get some new shoots. Probably not get the most of it this year, but at least the new stump will have time to take in those vital nutrients that have been provided by that fresh access to manure or compost. So as a last job, I'm just going to shake a little bit of fresh blood and bone, a natural slow release mixture. And that should give it a flying start for spring.